Yeah guys, what's new? So we're there again with another update, and I wanted to say, look at this guys. Jaja. Yeah, you wondering why those things are there? Just to keep the pups away from a banana trees. I don't want to ill-treat them in no way, so yeah, prevention better than cure, them say. So we got the lovely birds making use of their breakfast. Yeah, yeah. So I was just cleaning, adding some sawdust to keep the mess on a low profile, because trust me guys, I hate seeing it. Yeah, it look awful. So I'm trying my best to make everything look spick and span as possible until the future be whole for me to have something more official and more efficient. Yeah, God Lucy pigeon laugh. Yeah, so can't put down this nigga from I took him up, man. Just telling you, he's something else. I haven't let them out yet, but I think I can. I don't think they're going nowhere, but trust me, I got some hawks. Every day they make me know that they're here, just waiting. So we got a little bit of fight going on. We got a hen. We got a hen pigeon right in that box. You see her pushing out her head? Yeah. 2 eggs there. About what soon. But these guys are so nice, man. Yeah. Telling you. Catch you guys, have a last look. Isn't he gorgeous? Damn. Don't even know what color is that. If it's gray, if it's brown, if it's black. I'm gonna have to just wait until he mature, then we'll see. So bye guys.